up and at 'em, moving. Little, like a touch of chill in the air this morning. Had a great camp with the group that I was with last night. They're kind of stirring. There's another group that kind of just moved through us last night. They camped a little bit up. I just went through their camp. So trail's alive. Everybody's kind of moving. Not sure what the plan is today. I have a 17-mile campsite that's at like 2,000 feet. Or there's a shelter at like 21 miles, but it's like, 4,000 plus feet. It's supposed to be a little cold tonight. Or I could push past. So I'm gonna get to 17 miles, see how I feel, see what time it is, and kind of go from there. Anyways, northbound. Well, it's noon. Just had some awesome trail magic. Had a hot dog, an orange, a Mountain Dew, 5 cookies, a bag of chips, Snickers bar. Yeah, it was good. It's good. All is good in the hood. Heading over. Well, closing up shop for the day. A little over 20 miles up to Chestnut Knob Shelter. It's out on a bald. I'm just down. I mean, there's a tree line within probably 50 yards of the shelter, so I'm in the tree line. I'm gonna try to, see if there's a sunrise if I'm up. I'm tired. Most of the day was pretty mellow terrain. There's that Lick Creek or whatever it's called crossing where the bridge is out. That was a completely non-factor, other than my feet got like a little wet. But the climb up to the shelter was a son of a gun. So I am beat. But it looks like tomorrow, I haven't looked at like where to go tomorrow, but it looks like a lot of ridge kind of walking, kind of going. But yeah, other than that, it just wasn't that bad of a day. Pretty close to getting in the Taj hammock and just, typing up the notes for the day and looking at the pictures and all that kind of stuff. So I am grateful today because we had trail magic. I don't know if I think it's a thru hiker's dad and grandfather drove all the way from Iowa to obviously to support him, but they did trail magic today and it was fantastic. Ate really well and felt really good. It was right before the climb, so it was just in the nick of time. So anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow.